Hello guys, review smartphone Poco X5. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the black color device. Okay, open box and look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, protected back cover and documentary. Device and completion adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera, on the front side display 6.7 inch, on this side power key and power button and volume buttons, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device, we have AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz display. Very good display, very good metrics, beautiful colors. Okay, open settings, about phone, MIUI version 13.0.2, Android 12, version 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, and run Geekbench 5. We have CPU Snapdragon 695, octa-core processor 6+2 cores, and GPU Adreno 619. Look results. Okay, look into the benchmark results. Ranking. In global Antutu ranking we have 101 place. Doesn't enter in top 100. Run the money game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Start game. Perfect gameplay on the max graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.